5 body language secrets that make you instantly attractive and confident. If you want to instantly boost your confidence and attractiveness without saying a single word, mastering your body language is one of the most powerful skills you can develop. According to Dr. Albert Mehrabian, a staggering 93% of communication is nonverbal, which means your posture, gestures, eye contact, and facial expressions are constantly speaking for you. In this article, we'll explore 5 expert-backed body language secrets that can make you instantly more attractive and confident, based on psychology research and real-world observations. 1. Power pose. The first secret is the power pose, popularized by Harvard researcher Dr. Amy Cuddy. Her study showed that holding a power pose for just 2 minutes, standing tall, feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and arms either on hips or raised, can increase testosterone, the confidence hormone, by 20% and reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, by 25%. This small physical shift can immediately make you feel and appear more powerful. Doing this pose before a big event like a meeting, date, or interview can significantly boost your presence. 2. Eye contact. Second, strong eye contact is a major trust builder. A study in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin found that people who maintain consistent eye contact are perceived as more intelligent, attractive, and trustworthy. Ideally, aim to hold eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds at a time. It shows you're engaged, confident, and not afraid to connect. But be careful not to stare. Balance is key. Practicing eye contact in the mirror or during conversations can help you get more comfortable over time. 3. Genuine smile. Next is the power of a genuine smile, known in psychology as a Dutchen smile. This involves not only the mouth but also the muscles around your eyes. Research from the University of California shows that people who smile genuinely are seen as more likable, competent, and approachable. Fake smiles are easy to spot and can backfire, so think of something that genuinely brings you joy to trigger a natural reaction. Over time, authentic smiles can help you develop a more magnetic personality. 4. Open and intentional gestures. The 4th body language secret is using open and intentional gestures. Communication expert Dr. Vanessa Van Edwards emphasizes that people who use open body language, such as showing their palms, using hand gestures while speaking, and avoiding closed-off postures, are perceived as more charismatic and confident. Keep your hands out of your pockets, avoid crossing your arms, and move with purpose. Calm, controlled gestures create a sense of authority and trustworthiness, while fidgeting can signal insecurity. 5. Mirroring. Lastly, the psychological technique of mirroring can create instant rapport and attraction. A study in psychological science found that subtly mimicking someone's body language can make them feel more comfortable and connected to you. This doesn't mean copying their every move, but rather reflecting their energy naturally, leaning in slightly when they do, smiling when they smile, and matching their tone and posture in a subtle way. It builds subconscious trust and makes others feel seen and understood. Final words. While these 5 techniques can elevate your presence, it's also important to avoid common body language mistakes that sabotage confidence. Slouching, crossing your arms, darting your eyes, or fidgeting too much can make you appear nervous or defensive. Instead, focus on open, steady, and intentional movements to send a message of control and self-assurance.